It's pretty sunny outside.
A chance of showers in the morning, then showers likely in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 50s.
Oh, come on.
Chance of rain 60%. For Saturday night, showers.
What?
Lows in the mid-40s. Chance of rain 80%. For Sunday, showers likely. Near steady temperature in the upper 40s. Chance of rain 70%. For Sunday night, considerable cloudiness. Showers likely, mainly in the evening. Lows in the upper 30s. Chance of rain 70%. For Monday, partly sunny. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 30%. For Monday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers in the evening. Lows in the mid-30s. Chance of rain 30%.
Oh, there we go. Hard weekly test.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather situations. Specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast. The forecast for